Today we're here at our technical center in Pratteln. When does our technical center really come into play? Often it's in the early stages of our work for and with customers, when we use our pilot lines to develop the process engineering design for a compounding process and to demonstrate a product's or production's feasibility. Thanks to a wide variety of machine and equipment combinations, we can replicate any product that's made or to be made on a BUSS compounding systems right here in our technical center. As a chemical engineer, it's always particularly exciting for me to see how we're able to map out highly complex customer processes and how we develop the full production process from raw materials all the way to a finished product. Over the past 5 years, we've significantly expanded our infrastructure, not just here at the Technical Center in Pratteln, but also in Shanghai and Chicago, in order to meet the ever-increasing requests and demands of our customers. By now, the facilities at all 3 locations are running at nearly full capacity year-round, both with demonstration trials for customers who want to produce their specific products with us and with innovation projects, some of which we actively drive ourselves to establish new applications and processes. Working so closely with our customers during the pilot phase builds a strong foundation of trust, a trustful partnership that often lasts well beyond commissioning. And last but not least, we train our customers' process engineers on our pilot systems, so they can independently optimize and innovate their own processes with confidence.